So guys, in this video we will not share any type of method. I am just making this video. If anyone need live click, if anyone need live direct link click in his Adsterra account, in his blog, please list in the comment section, paste your link. I will click your link, okay? And I request to all my viewer who are watching my video, please, if you click or support each other, like if you get any comment, then you just click on this direct link and post your link in reply on that comment, okay? So what will happen, a good community will build up in our team. And also I request to you all, if you get click, please also click on others direct link also. Do this in this video comment section. This campaign will work one day. Like I am trying to make a community video post, like if this successful, every week I will keep a one day to do this type of community support. Like if we do this, you will get real click, real viewer. And you know what, in this video comment section, the all visitor is real organic person. I hope if each one support each other, this will not impossible who are not earning from Adsterra. And this is also a good community we can build. And if this successful, I will try to make a one day support video day, then that time we can support each other. So this is my testing video. If I get good support or good if I get that you are helping each other, then I can arrange another video weekly basis for this type of support. So thank you guys. As you can see, I'm earning from Adsterra and Monitech, but Monitech earning is a little bit slow. You know why? Monitech maybe their earning ratio is much less or slow, but you know, Adsterra giving much profit in the considering of Monitech. So you can share your Monitech link also, or you can share your Adsterra. I am trying Monitech also, because Monitech also a side income and very good income for earning from online. So thank you guys. If you find this video helpful, please do a comment with your live link, and I hope it will helpful for you also. Thank you guys. Bye.